Today I am going to discuss about ethics of Swami Vivekananda from the subject professional ethics. So welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management. So let's see first of all the thoughts of Swami Vivekananda. So these are the different thoughts here you can see from the Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, real name Narendranath Datta, became a monk at a very early age, but he was not much like other sons. He was a great thinker, philosopher, peace builder, believer of modern science and education system. Now see ethical views of Swami Vivekananda. Ethics, according to Vivekananda, is nothing but a code of conduct that helps a man to be a good citizen of the world. So very simple, according to Swami Vivekananda, ethics is a code of conduct that helps a man to be a good citizen. The world needs good citizens for the betterment of the people. Without good citizens, no system can function in right ways. Very simple, without the good citizens, no system can function properly. All the systems are developed to offer better conditions for people who want to manifest their inner qualities to get the chance to realize their real nature. According to Swamiji, the basis of all systems, either social or political, rest upon the goodness of man. Next, no nation is great or good because it's not depend on parliament, but because its men are great and good. So it is very important statement. So look at once again, no nation is great or good because it's not depend on parliament, but because its men are great and good. So every nation depends on their people. One must admit laws, government, politics, because they are part of our nation. But there is a goal beyond them where law is not needed. So everyone should admit laws, government, politics because they are the part of the nation. But apart from that, there is a goal where law is not needed. All great masters teach the same thing, so that the basis is not law, but morality and purity are the only strength. In short, ethics or morality has something more than laws of a country that governs the people. So keep in mind that morality or ethics has something special that is more than laws of a country. Next, we feel the necessity of laws, government or politics for better governance, for the development of the society. But all these facts have some limitations. They can act only as means, not as ends. End is something more that lies beyond these facts. They can help us to reach the goal to some extent. Ethics is also a mean to reach the goal, but it lies beyond laws. Next, there is infinite power in our heart, but we are not aware of it. That is why we are exercising laws to keep the society intact. Laws are nothing but bondage only. We have to overcome this bondage. So we have to follow the codes of ethics. Ethics will help us finally to reach the goal. If you want to see more videos, then subscribe my YouTube channel and go to playlist. Press the like button to appreciate this video.